Hey guys, so today we're talking about solving systems of equations using graphing. So just to reiterate, a system of equations is when we have two equations and we want to know which solution they share in common. So when we do it by graphing, we want to see what is the point that the two lines share in common. So if we look at this example, I don't know why this line won't go away. There we go. So I have this first line. I have a y-intercept of 1. And then I have a slope of 1. So I'm going to go up 1, 1 to the right. 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 We see the pattern. Let's connect the line. There it is. My next one, I have a y-intercept of -2. So that's right here. And then my slope is 3, so I'm going to go up 3 to the right 1, up 3 to the right 1, up 3 to the right 1. And so now I can see this line. And let's see where they intersect, where they share a point. Right there. This blue point looks like 1.5 and 2.5. So we can say that the solution is 1.5, 2.5. Let's check Desmos to make sure. So if I see where, what it was the function, it was x plus 1 and then 3x minus 2. Let's see where they cross. 1.5, 2.5. Looks like we did a good job. Let's see another example. So this one, I want to take this and write it in slope-intercept form. We know how to do that. This is 2y is equal to 2 plus x. And if I divide by 2, I get y is equal to 1 plus 1/2 x. So if I graph this line, I have a y-intercept at 1. And then I go up 1 to the right 2, up 1 to the right 2, up 1 to the right 2. But look at this function. I'm going to put arrows. This function right here is the same thing. So what does that mean? It means all the solutions on this line work for both. So there's infinitely many solutions to this system. Okay, let's look at this one. These two, we have, here's a y-intercept of 3. And our slope is 2, so we're going to go 2 up, 1 to the right, 2 up, 1 to the right. I could go 2 down, 1 to the left to continue my pattern. There's my line. My next one, I have a y-intercept of -1. And then slope is still 2. 2 up, 1 to the right, 2 up, 1 to the right, 2 up, 1 to the right. And now looking at this line, I see that they're parallel. We know they're parallel. They have the same slope. These lines are never going to intersect. So guess what? We're going to say there is no solution. The lines are parallel. They do not intersect. And that's it.